Hello, today I'll do a review for a few items from Banggood. In the first place, this is the 907 constant temperature electric soldering iron. It's pretty cool. I'll show you the heating up temperature first. So I'll just put this down so you can see it's not hot. It's off as well. Max temperature. As well, we'll do a temperature reading at max, and then the wick. This is the original tip that came with it. This is a horseshoe tip here that I bought from Banggood as well. I'll take it down later and show you, or maybe now because it's gonna get hot. So there's a bit of a problem with it because the hole is smaller than the original, so it's a bit snug, as you can see. You can't take it down or put it very easy. There we go. See the difference? The difference inside, yes. This is a horseshoe and it's bigger. The original one has a bigger hole, I mean. Well, put it to get back on. Look, this. Okay. Okay. Now we'll do the heat up test. See how quickly it heats up without touching anything. Okay, one moment, I have to position this. Okay, that's good. So it's at max, yes. Okay, so now we'll turn it on and let's see how much it takes to heat up and at what temperature it actually is when it says 400 degrees Celsius there. This here is just a thermocouple for this, so we're gonna see the temperature. Well, it's taking its time. Should be done pretty soon. And almost done. So now supposedly it's 400 degrees Celsius. Let's see. Okay. Well, the temperature changes because it's a different metal, so whenever I don't make contact, that's why, probably. See, now I'm gonna press harder. Oh, yeah, I don't know then. maybe it's not that. So this is me pressing on, yeah, I'm probably pressing on the cables and not on the tip. So now I'm gonna press on the tip. See, it's a bit different. Now let's tie a bit under this capton for protection, electric protection. Oops, climbing up. Yeah, so it's kind of close. Depend, like there's losses in the reading, of course, because it doesn't make perfect contact. Okay, so now let's do a review of the wick. This is the wick, the goodwick. Have to clean this up. Okay, it's pretty clean. This is an old board I made a while ago, so it's still on 400. I'm gonna test a bit temperature. Yeah, so no problem melting that instantly. That's cold and just on 400, of course. That's a lot. So now let's try the wick with this horseshoe thing. Just gonna suck this up all at once. Let's see. It's quite a lot for the wick, and it's burning my hand too. Yep, but it's kind of okay. Of course, this is way too much for it. But if you were to do like surface mount stuff that's properly done, not DIY shit, then yeah, so look, this is little. This is no problem for it. Oh, and it's just doesn't exist anymore. It's just leveled. Yeah. So yeah, this was a review for the 907 variable temperature iron from Banggood and Goodwick wick. And yeah, I'll have links in description for everything.